I have so many trucks and cars in my Lego collection, but no bumper cars, so I decided to build one myself. And then this happened. I built another one in yellow. And then one more in orange. But do they actually work? Let's find out. I have 3 volunteers: Batman, Spider-Man and Harley.
Ready, go!
Batman's first to try it out. Not bad for his first time. Next, it's Spider-Man's turn. Let's see his moves. Awesome, Spidey, well done. And finally, we got Harley. She's a little shy at first. Now that you've been shown, you can practice on your own. Have fun, you guys. Enjoy. Okay, it's time to take a little break, and if you would like to build one too, step-by-step tutorial is coming up next. Here is a list of bricks and pieces I used. And as you can see from tutorial, bumper cars are very easy to build. I will be back soon with something new.